about jail time.
Okay.
So,
Alrighty, I'll sit here and do it real quick.
Need me to do anything else?
Nope, we're good.
Now, all right, man, we'll see you. He was. Contempt,
Right,
because he wasn't on probation. The judge would have to find him contempt of court,
right.
and he didn't, he was afraid to do that.
Jail time, one or two.
Hi, John.
Jail time, one word or two?
Excuse me?
Is jail time one word or two?
Two.
Two.
Hi, John.
All right, we'll see you.
Bye.
Bye, Melissa.
See ya.
Yeah. Here's this one for the new one. I've already had the judge sign it. So. And then here's the order.
That's the commitment.
Yeah, the commitment. I already gave the jail one, so they're good. All right, well, I don't need any of that out. Y'all take care of all that out there, and I'll just do my probation part, and this I can go, give me the original, I don't need a copy of it, or give
All right.
the jail copy to give to him, so.
Hey. I'm at work. I just got done with court. Mm-hmm. Yeah, just. What's up? What are you doing? Did you leave for the day? It's all right. At the where? Some point, did you like it?
I really feel like there was more stuff that I needed to talk to you about, but, all right, I still need the urine results on this, even though he's pled guilty already.
On Zachary Ross?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Now, on Bo,
Craig, though, yes.
let's see here. $12,800.
Yep, he is family or household member. Did you know it says he's?
Oh, that's the notes right there. Yeah, that's the note.
Just-
That's for me. I'm going to take this file, I guess.
Oh, okay. Oh, is that the one you and Chris were talking about? Gotcha. Okay.
All right, so I guess that's
So
all.
Zachary-
Nothing got set for trial today.
Goodness, because we got a bunch of them.
Yeah, I know. What do I have for Friday, do you know? What trials do I have for Friday, do you know?
In my office, I know. I've got it written down.
You know, I figure things out, which are probably obvious to other people, but sometimes when I find out, I figure something out, I'm like, oh, I can't believe how smart I am. And
You surprise yourself.
one of them is that I can put a date in here. So for example, 11, 14, 25. Don't have anything.
Did you? No,
Oh,
because it
you
hasn't
know.
happened yet.
No, but in the notes, it should say, when the next court date is.
Oh, okay. Well, today's the 10th, and 11/14 hasn't happened.
I know.
You mean if you put that in, it'll show up like all the people?
Yeah,
Oh,
but for some
okay.
reason, it's not doing it, even though I know.
People
that-
have 14th date.
Yeah, well, anyway, okay, so it doesn't work, so I'm not that smart.
Well, maybe if you go into the main search bar and not the to be printed search bar, because you were in to be printed.
I was?
Yeah.
Oh, well, no wonder. You're right. Okay, let's do that. So that woman was probably,
Scared. He's gonna come there. Grandma.
Oh, yeah, but I said, well, at least he's in Columbus. I mean, it's gonna be harder for her,
Right.
him to get back here.
To get back, yes, that's the only thing.
Oh, I need to put something on your.
there we go.
Okay.
So, no, but you know what? It takes like 11/3/25, so it doesn't really do.
Well,
It does some.
Sarah Baumgardner, we need to talk about that. Okay, so I talked to the Jeff Riley guy, and it's on a folder out there. He gave me 3 or 4 dates he can be here if we want to continue that, because you said you wanted him here. He does like productions, like music production, so he travels a lot. Let me get this.
All right, well, we got to do it right away then.
Yeah.
So it's set for this Friday for trial?
Yes.
Oh, I've probably got it.
You got the file, but I have the guy's name and the dates he's available.
Oh.
He said, yeah, he's available not this Friday, but the next Friday. And this was in the things, 1025, it's the Christopher White. This is the one where the machine,
But he
Okay.
ended up pleading.
yes, so we're good on that,
We
right?
are good on that, but it's gonna happen again.
It's going to happen again, and guess what? They never got back with me with the additional information. Yeah. 12/29. Yeah, so he's going to review, but, yeah. But anyway, I guess that's why I had that out, because they never got back with me,
Oh, by the way, we might still be on the internet.
probably.
Hi, world.
Yes, hello, we're here, we're discussing. Andrew Curry, I have his notes right here. There's that note for you. Did you do that?
No.
Okay, that's a reminder. Okay,
Now,
trial,
here's
right
what I need
here.
on this one. I'm gonna need his home address, Marion Holland.
Okay,
Because I'll have to tell them that that's where they need to go. In other words, I want adult protective services.
yes, we have it, it's in the file.
Okay, so we need the file.
Okay, Marion Holland, do you know when he's coming back? Can you look that up?
Yeah. I got it. Baumgartner is the OVI trial.
Yes. He said, what is the 21st, not this Friday, but the next, 21st. He said he could do the 21st. I'm going to be in Columbus this Saturday.
Is it already?
Mm-hmm.
Are you guys going to Easton? Did I already ask you that? Don't stay
Easton?
at that one hotel you and I stayed at.
Oh, I know, I hope we don't.
Did you tell, whoever booked it, did you tell them
Oh,
don't
you
give that
know,
Hilton?
no, I didn't.
What's wrong with the Hilton?
Oh, it's this
Missy
hotel
and
we
I
both.
both stayed at different times. Now, I had no idea she stayed there and had problems. A bunch of
Hilton?
cars, yes, a bunch of cars got broken into. It's like a scam in that hotel. After we
Yeah.
looked at the
Really?
reviews,
Uh-huh.
it happened to a bunch of people.
Really?
And they don't act like it was a big deal. We walked out, not the time she was there, but when I was there not too long
Same
ago.
thing happened to
Emerson.
us.
There were a
Nice
bunch.
hotel.
It is.
And then we had to switch rooms at 3 times when we got there because there was a problem with each room. Every
And we
time-
switched one too, I was telling her.
Like-
Isn't that weird?
like it not being cleaned and things like that.
Really?
And then the next morning, it's like everybody's cars. There was a security car that was just sitting in the parking lot. And Missy saw it too. And all
Yeah.
the reviews, people said there's a security car, but it never moves. It's like it's just
And they were breaking into trucks when I was there. And they were like, if you have a truck, whatever you're gonna move. And then they were like, it was awful. And these
I
people
don't-
were trying to check out and complaining and,
the hotel people.
11/21.
The hotel people said there was nothing they could do about it.
11/21, I'll go get the
But
file.
I don't know how mine didn't get
Well, I
broken
mean,
into. Because both the cars beside me, all the glass windows were out.
all of the hotels in that area would have the same problem, I would think.
I don't know if it's just that.
Probably that, it's probably something, an inside
Internal.
thing.
Everyone
or-
on the review said it has to be something
Yeah,
internal. Because
I mean-
everybody was putting how on different dates this whole past year, it didn't matter what date it was, their cars were getting broken into. I think they have had a security
Well,
um,
you know,
at that hotel.
I don't want to go to Columbus at all, under any circumstances, or any big city. To hell with them.
Well, I love the shopping there.
Well, yeah, I get that.
And we really just go
But
to
you know what?
eat and
I'll tell you
drink
one
and
place
just
that
be
has a
together.
really good shopping is Lexington. Have you ever been to Fairfield? It's
Oh, yeah.
expanded. Have you been there in the last couple of
Long
years?
time ago.
Okay, Missy, when I
Was
went
it
there,
nice?
my Emerson's senior year to get her homecoming, they
was
added
nice.
some.
I
Yes,
need to
it's-
go.
I love it. Oh, God, it's
Okay.
8:00.
This is on,
Brandon Hayes.
yes, it says trial on 12/8. Why do I
Yes.
feel like, okay, I feel like this is old. We contact witness, we have a check mark on your
Yeah,
name. Is that
okay,
right?
yeah, it's set for a trial.
So did I subpoena this person?
Well, probably not.
On 12/8, because
No.
I didn't have a note on that?
No, it just got
No,
set
it
today.
just got set today.
Oh, okay, so
you
subpoena.
gotta- Yeah.
Okay, so subpoena.
So, wait a minute, we're gonna have to go over it to
Yeah.
make sure we get everybody.
I'm gonna go to
Witness number
office.
1,
That,
Shanna
um,
Stepp, witness number, oh, this is the guy, those people I called.
Yes.
I don't know what to tell Ashley, so I'll just tell her I'm still in court.
I'm not interested.
Don't answer if you see her name.
Because I don't know what to tell her either. I'm just going to tell her she needs to speak with you.
Wait a minute.
But I don't
Is
know
it
what to
set
tell
for
her.
Trial on May?
That's what it says, what, yeah.
Maybe I should just tell her
Okay.
the burnout. Tell her she needs to get a civil protection order. It's gonna be more effective. Then she'll be like, well, what's the new contact order for? And then I'm gonna be like, well, you really don't have one, technically. I don't know what to do about that one.
Listen,
Yeah, so I'll talk to you about that one later. I'm just gonna tell Haley not to answer.
okay. All right, so do we know Doug's last name?
No, we do not. He was just on there as Doug. I mean, I'm sure I could find out when I call him, ask him his last name, but I
All
did
right.
talk with him.
So we need those two people. So this guy's saying, maybe a white truck rear-ended me and caused me to go across the line. But that doesn't make sense, because he was also high.
What, that guy?
Yeah.
Or this,
Oh, okay, do we have the video? We got all the video?
we got the 911 call, we got the video.
All right, so we gotta make sure.
There was, that's when I called him, what they said, and I just typed it up for you.
Okay, so we've already, Nick
Yeah.
Kuhn,
Yeah, he's the 911 guy, and Sergeant
Sergeant
Dunn.
Dunn, is he-
I sent him an email stating, this is what we need. I need the
yeah,
call,
but I
so
mean,
I
as far as
got him.
witnesses go.
Yeah, we-
Nick Kuhn's
oh, okay.
one, Trooper Elliott, and we gotta see if there were other officers on the scene, and we need their body cam also.
Kuhn, Sergeant Dunn.
These guys, they think we will try that hard. That's the reason why they want to push us, because they don't think we'll try that. Now, Chris isn't that way, but his clients sometimes are. Okay, it was a reckless operation.
Here's the
instead of
thing, what
camera.
if, here's the issue with this, when we have witnesses and all that, not everybody can be here at the same time.
Oh, I know.
So that's-
Sergeant Dunn is a
Yep,
witness.
got
And
him.
Trooper
Elliot.
Elliott.
Yep, we got him.
Um,
It's a crash, oh, and here is the 911 printouts for you.
I bet you I bet you the EMS was there too.
911.
On the nod and talking to himself. It seems like Chris said, oh, I better have a talk with him. I think what he did was, I think what Chris said was,
This is your
we'll
call.
probably end up pleading.
Okay. Initial caller was Deborah. Additional caller, Clinton Brewer. Witness, whatever, I don't have her name. Dispatch put it as Henry, but that's not right.
So,
What? Info on caller. Do you have any identity of the caller about the white truck over the road, is what I sent him.
so Clinton Brewer is one, we haven't talked to him yet?
I don't guess. That's not even what I have over here. I have Shanna and Doug. And both of them say that he was driving the slow lane. Both of them say that he was erratic.
See if you can get Clinton Brewer also.
I wonder if I got them. I don't know.
I'm not still in that other box, because I knew it for the 17th.
Okay. I gotta call Deborah and Clinton. So
And we'll have to answer discovery too, with the new names.
oh yeah, I don't know if I put those in there. I probably didn't. Wonder how I found that address. And I'm wondering if maybe I called him and said anyone had nothing to do with it. I'll just have to call him again. Video and the Axon video was sent to Chris. Okay.
After we get all that together, I want the file.
Okay. I'll give it back to you.
Yeah, this goes in there
Let me put it behind
too.
this.
Sneak it back.
Sneak it in. All right, that's a trial.
What's this?
That goes to this. It was in
That
here.
goes to this. That goes to this.
That's what it said.
That goes
What's
to
this add to what?
Please add attached Kentucky court some records from first offense OVI to Hates file. Okay. Okay. So we'll have to have Rob as a witness
Really?
to say that, yeah, he obtained certified copies from Kentucky and that he was found guilty in Greenup Circuit Court or whatever.
So I'm going to tell Rob. Let's call Rob and tell him.
Well, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, this is so complicated.
Why are we going to make it so complicated?
All right, so 52 times 2 is 104,
Mm-hmm.
plus 52 is 156.
Yeah, 6.
So now I've got 155 more times until I turn 65 in court
Oh, really?
to when I could say I don't want to do this anymore.
150.
55 more court hearings. Yeah, 1 year minus 1 day.
1 year minus 1 day. What makes me sad?
Well, I mean, I don't know if that's what's going to happen, but this, I mean, I need a break of some sort.
You do never do.
I need like a month or something.
A month is a little excessive, but I mean, a couple court days or a long weekend,
Or
or you
something.
need something.
The problem is I can't do anything anyway because my
I know.
and my dog
You take your dog with you.
and my house plants.
Somebody can, whoever clean your house will make your plants. But you take Brutus with you, wherever you go. You need to take him with you, but you need a break.
You know,
I
I
feel like
can't
if you had a
think.
little bit more breaks, you wouldn't be counting them down.
I think you're probably right about
Yeah.
that. But this gets so old.
This just looms over you. I know. Me too. I look at my discoveries and I'm like, what out of here? But then I start in on them and I'm fine. But
Well, I mean, yes, and when I'm actually going through the files, I forget about, I've still got this many to go through. And
one at a time.
Yeah.
One day at a time.
it's a pain in the ass is what it is,
Mhm.
but then again, I don't like to complain too much.
And you don't. You never complain.
Well, I do all the time.
Not like that though. Not like serious complaints. Like complained where like it's really going to happen. You know what I'm saying? We all complain.
You know, I haven't had a bad dream in forever
Oh,
until
yeah?
last night.
Oh, you had a bad dream last
I
night.
had a bad dream last night.
That's not
And
good.
it really,
Did
I
it
woke
shook
up.
you up? Shook you?
Yeah, I walked in my mom's house and somebody was,
This was your dream?
yeah, and somebody was not remodeling it, basically dismantling it, and had taken the half of the kitchen floor up and replaced it with this ugly tile. And I just went off. I was screaming, who the hell did this?
Wow, like
You know?
nobody asked me.
Yeah, nobody gave you permission to do that.
Right?
Anyway, I woke up and I was sweating and everything.
Are you serious?
Yeah,
That's weird.
it's a weird dream.
Yeah.
But I think it's because subconscious, you know.
Things are happening and changes are going to be made and
Well,
yeah.
that and, yeah, and the stress of my mom, I don't really recognize, but it's there. You know.
Like, I know you're so positive about it, you know? You just,
I try to be positive about everything.
yeah, it's hard sometimes. Like, so when you got all this, you're like, so Rob?
Well, we gotta,
Thanks, Rob.
let's do this.
Okay.
We're gonna do what's called a stipulation.
Okay.
We're gonna have Chris sign it. It's gonna be the caption versus hate,
Brandon, Haight.
like hate
Yep.
Ashbury. Oops. Stipulation, the attorneys hereby agree that the
Greenup County Circuit Court Clerk. Yes. Oh, would you? District Courts, Courthouse Annex.
Green County Circuit Court.
And District Courts.
That's all right. Confirming defendants prior, or what year was the OBI, or the?
2021. Wait, it says, is DOA date of, and then DOC is date of
Conviction. All right, but it's a 20,
20, and then 2021 is when he's convicted, right?
yeah,
Okay.
is a admissible. Okay, so this is, you're gonna put the whole caption up there, of course, and then put a place for the,
Oh, you mean the Lawrence County Municipal? Or?
yeah, the whole caption.
Yeah.
Okay, and then have a place for me and Chris to sign. We'll see if we can get him to sign that. Otherwise, we have to have somebody to say, yeah, I received this from the Grant County Clerk.
Should I make a copy of this, or just?
I think you should make a copy and give it to him in discovery.
Names and
I'm going to send
Grant County
Chris
case
a text message.
to Discovery, okay. So that's an update to Discovery.
What in the hell? I'm getting all kinds of
I
weird, messenger.
Yeah, Messenger, people are
requests.
hacked, yeah, people are hacked. Somebody, my friend just said, if you get a friend request from me, it's not me. They used her picture of her and her husband and said, hey, my name's Jordan. It's Jordan, I just got a new phone and I lost your number and da. She's like, it's not me. And I did get a new phone, so there's that.
Well, you can always tell too, because the way they laugh doesn't sound like them.
Okay, this is a trial.
Hold on here, I want to send Chris a message.
Yeah, talk to him about it. Craig Bowe, you're taking that with you. I'll look up Marion, I guess, on the website here. Maybe. I have so many apps open.
All right, so we'll see if Chris is willing to stipulate to it. Now, adult protective services. So I'm going to go back to another Missy that I know, Missy Evans.
Okay.
What's the grandson's name? Marion? Oh, what's the old man's Billy.
Billy, Senior. There's the address. And the family wants nothing to happen. Marion J.
Township Road, 1067.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
concerned about Billy. Take care of that. All right, now what's
Boom. Okay, Grace SQ, failure to confine dogs trial. I know, we all have the same thing. Okay, so it looks like Deputy Barker and some
We have
person
pictures
named
of the dog.
Linda. Paul has been known to look into the neighbor's windows. We may need to look into him. Note say.
Now what?
Paul, Linda said defendant told her that another neighbor who has issued by the name of Paul Mann is letting the dogs out. Linda, of course, didn't know to believe that, but Linda herself recently saw Paul Mann trying to let the dogs out. Paul has been known to look in the neighbor's windows. We may need to look into him.
Okay.
Jasmine said.
The woman said, I don't know how the dog got out.
On this case?
Yeah,
Oh, okay. What's her, what's the name, what is that person saying?
this is Linda Kelly, and she
Mhm.
says, I, Linda Kelly, saw a large white dog circling my daughter-in-law's car, barking and growling around her car as they waited for the school bus with two small girls in the car. My husband, Carl Taylor, went out with a pipe. We need Carl Taylor's witness.
Carl Taylor.
To scare the dog off. The dog did the same to him, growling and barking, called the sheriff's department, arrived on scene, spoke to us and the owners of the dog about 4 months ago. We were told by Tommy, our son, and Jennifer, the dog had bitten my granddaughter, Layla, 4 months ago. Now, who's the deputy? Because we need
Barker.
we need their body cam and their testimony.
Linda, we need her, we need Carl, and what about anybody else?
Deputy and
Linda and Carl.
and the video.
Yep.
But you know what? This is a nuisance dog. Yeah, nuisance dog. Now, do we need to put that in there? It's still an MM the first time around, I believe.
Do you put it in there?
Whenever, I mean, he said it here, nuisance
Nuisance.
dog.
Tell me where to put it in.
Well, I don't think we put it in at this point.
I don't think we.
But anyway, now, she says, well, I didn't know it got out. Well, okay, so that's, just we have to know you let it, I don't think you have to know that you let the dog out.
No, it can get out on its own and then you not know it for an amount of time. And then you realize it's out or something's happened, right?
Well, okay, so you're responsible to keep the dog on your own property.
Right, but if it was in the backyard and you're inside and you didn't let it out and it got out,
Too bad.
then you would have known. You didn't let it out.
Constructively should know that it has gotten out because you didn't do enough to keep it in.
Right, like you should know, like for instance, your gates swung open from the wind. Be
Right,
taken care
you're
of.
responsible.
You're responsible for that, yes. So she's not gonna know until she's gonna let
I wish the penalties were.
Yeah, because look here, look what we're doing, all this time.
I know.
That's what happened in Las Vegas. Okay, well, I guess we'll do it. Fix your fence. You know what, I wish the penalties were stricter on OVIs.
Well, the only problem
They
with
kind
that
of are, but they kind of are not.
I know.
Coming in here with 3 and 4 OVIs. No way, no way. No joke.
is, well, that's why.
No, it's not.
Because I'm not going to treat. If the
Yeah,
third
but we're
offense,
getting treatment and the dip school, which that's good for our county.
third offense should be no less than 30 days in jail.
Yes.
But the thing about it is,
I'm going to say they have trouble pleading, so we give them an option. I get that. But if they got a drug problem and it's out here, then I want them in treatment. 100%.
well, that's the reason why, and they end up with way more of a penalty than going to jail for 10 or 30 days.
Right. But not like repeat offenders. Like
Well, I
that
know.
one guy come in here, what's his name? He says we saved his life. I mean, he was
Yeah,
a couple OVIs and, yeah.
so,
His name comes in here so nice. Little old guy was driving because he lost his brother. He's just going to get his mom something to eat at the Pizza Hut. Don't you remember that?
Yeah.
What is his name?
Oh.
We saved his life.
yes, we did. Okay, now, this is set for trial, right?
It is. Craig Bowe? Oh, no.
Oh, maybe not.
No. No, I thought you and him discussed all this.
Well-
He's willing to plead.
Here's the thing, Chris has given me some, which I couldn't get to print for some stupid reason.
Mhm.
He's,
It's like 12-8,
he would plead to,
the assault.
he would plead to assault. She says, no way. Chris says, it's not domestic violence because they didn't live together.
Oh, yes, he's
But
arguing
it's a
that. Okay.
family member. But the statute says, I gotta do some work on it. I mean, that's just the bottom line. I can't get out of it. I
Yeah.
gotta do some work on
The
it.
domestic. Another one that's lingering. Okay, so you've got to look at the statute and see, because it does say that. And it doesn't have to be a spouse. It can be a family member.
Yeah. Okay. Here it is.
Let's,
Oh, my God.
somebody,
David Lutz is calling me. I don't know who that is. David Lutz. David Lutz.
David Woods?
He's a Lutz. I'm going to
Uh-huh.
talk to him now.
Okay, leave a message, Dave.
Okay. No person shall knowingly cause or attempt to cause physical harm to a family or household member. Okay, what does family or household member mean?
Family or household?
Family or
Family
household?
or, so it could be either or. You could be family or a household, meaning
That's
lived.
what I think too.
That's what I'm thinking. How can you argue
But the
that?
statute says, let's see,
We get domestics in here all the time. They say, I don't live there.
family or household member means any of the following.
Here we go.
Any of the following who is residing or has resided with the offender. So,
Is or has?
Now,
Has she?
well, I would assume they're brother and sister.
Oh, like in their adulthood?
It just says any person who has.
That's very vague.
Okay, well,
Okay.
but that's a general one. Now,
That's a
what that
general.
would also include people who used to be roommates and they don't live together anymore.
Yeah.
I mean, it says that.
No.
Any of the following, oh, I'm sorry, no, this is, no.
You're wrong. Okay.
Any of the following who is residing or has resided with. Okay, a spouse, we know that.
Okay, we know that.
A person living as a spouse, like a live-in
Like a live-in,
boyfriend,
yep.
girlfriend. Former spouse of the offender,
Right.
okay?
You're divorced, but you're still living together.
Or you
Or
don't even live together
separated,
anymore.
or you
You're
don't.
divorced, and you're divorced and don't live together anymore. Is or has lived.
Or
resided
has,
with.
yes.
A parent, Okay, we get that. A foster parent or a child of the offender or another person related by consanguinity or affinity. That means either blood or in-law.
In-law.
So, okay.
The related by
Who is
blood.
residing or has resided. So in other words, it could be a brother-in-law, but if you never lived with them, then it's not domestic violence. In other words, that's related by affinity. A stepchild, but they never lived in the same home, is not domestic
That's not
violence.
domestic.
All right. But, or another person related by consanguinity or affinity of the offender. So, consanguinity is meaning that you're blood. All right.
Or person is blood.
So, a sister
A
is
sister,
blood,
mhm.
and they have resided together at some point. At least we assume they have, because they're brother and sister. It'd be
Yes.
rare that they hadn't.
That they hadn't, yeah.
All right, a parent or child of a spouse, person living as spouse or former spouse of the offender, or another person related by consanguinity or affinity to the spouse, person is living as spouse or former spouse of the offender. Okay, we don't need that. The natural parent of any child whom the offender is the natural parent or is the putative other natural, not that. So it comes down to a parent, foster parent, or child of the offender, or another person related by consanguinity or affinity of the offender, and if they've ever lived together.
And, did I send you discovery on this? Sure I have. Yes, I did. Okay.
My poor sister's trying to give me my birthday present, and I'm never available.
That's a bad thing to have going on.
I know. Tell me, because she gives good presents.
Does she? Oh, that's good. She's probably excited to give it to you also.
Yeah.
So what do I need to do on this? You're just going to think about it. You got to decide. It's
Well-
12/8. I've already sent discovery. You guys are just trying to mull out whether it's domestic and if they will plead to assault.
Yes, and then talk to the victim about why that's a good idea or not. Just depends on what I find.
12/1. 12/1 at 12. Did he ever get back to you about Jeff Riley and Sarah Bumgardner? No, it's Sarah Bumgardner, OBI. Not this Friday, but next.
Sean, I don't think he has, and he's notorious for not. I think we need to prepare a motion to continue.
Motion to continue.
When was that case set for trial?
Friday. So if I prepare the motion now, you won't sign it till Friday.
Which is fine, because it's not set for a month right now. It's set for 12/8?
No, the Baumgardner,
Oh, it's
this Friday.
when was it set for trial?
I don't know.
A while back?
Mhm.
A while ago? Shit.
OBI. Mhm.
Well, damn it. I don't know, because we got so many cases, I guess. Let's see here.
2921, or 2919. 25. Domestic. Brother and sister.
Question mark?
Question mark?
This is so slick.
What is this?
This is AI legal research.
Oh,
So I ask it, under this statute,
Yeah.
is an adult sibling,
yeah.
a household or family member, and it's going to give me 15 pages of cases, as well as a summary.
Wow. That's 10% done.
It says that, and all of a sudden it's 100%. What else we have to do?
I think that's it for now.
I have to copy the file with the notes onto that.
So I can work on Zachary's urine. I gotta top this up.
Zachary's urine.
Put these away. Subpoena, subpoena, subpoena. I gotta drive to Blackton.
What?
I'm tired.
This evening?
Oh, 21-year-old killed in 7 vehicle crash, 2 charged with DUI. I wonder if this is on the bridge just today.
God, that's awful.
21. Nope, Alabama. Alabama.
Homes.com's comprehensive search.
Still thinking. It's 30% done.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. An adult sibling can be considered a household or family member if they meet the statutory definition. Specifically, the statute defines household or family member to include another person related by consanguinity or affinity in the offender who is residing or has resided with the offender. The definition encompasses siblings as they are related by consanguinity. Okay, so I'm right. Explicitly includes individuals related by, okay, law supporting it, case law interpreting, confirms that siblings can qualify as family or household members under the statute. For example, in State v. Triplet, the court upheld the inclusion of a sibling as a household or family member based on their relationship by consanguinity and evidence that they had resided together. This decision aligns with the statutory language and demonstrates that siblings, including adult siblings, are covered under. So I don't see any reason to. I would like to get it done, but I'm not going to. Most of the time, they end up winning. It's kind of like waiting for the Democrats to fold. Which they end up doing. That was sweet. I don't know. Maybe you don't feel that way.
So good.
Maybe. Okay. Let's see here. So I'll just send this to Chris, I guess.
Yeah, send that to him and tell him we want this tied up.
Well, he's going to say it didn't happen that way anyway.
He's on the other side and he's not.
Let's go with desktop. There we go. Research. Sibling DV right in there. Right there. I like when it works out.
Wow.
So, okay, now, this should be done too. I would say this is done by now too. I don't want to do that again. It's done.
It's done. If it's not, I need a note, I'll tell you. How about that? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and be doing this on her.
I guess I could print this,
Print, what were you printing?
this thing I just, research I just did.
Oh, that? Oh, yeah.
It's only 50 pages.
50?
It's, no, it's only 14.
14, print it. We'll put it right with that as your reference.
I'll
Talk to him about it.
I'll send this
Oh, to him.
to Chris.
Oh, okay.
I will. Is it too many pages to email?
No, no.
We email stuff to Chris?
I can. Yeah, I think I do. Tina? I know I really don't email a lot of stuff to her. Now, Wilford I do, but yeah, same thing. I'll just email it to him. Do you want me to email this to him?
Either that or I can just give it to him.
I'll just give it to him.
All right.
'Cause I know what he's gonna say. I'm gonna hold up. So
Yeah,
then
you're right. I was
I'll-
just trying to make it easy. I just can't do that. And besides that, I don't want to do that this case anyway, because I
Right.
believe that one.
Yeah.
All right.
I got a couple to-dos. I got more than a couple, but we'll be all right. Your stamper, I don't know. I'm gonna try to fix it.
Oh, that makes a difference. I just put some tape around it.
Oh, I kind of like the rubber band around it.
And that's fine too. It makes it grippier.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll keep the rubber band.
I think that's fine.
Gosh, it's 2:30.
Oh, no,
Can you believe that?
it's ridiculous.
Yeah. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna make sure she didn't leave anything in here. I know she's left.